Hello everyone, welcome to NextGen, Next Level Digital Defense. In day 3, we learned about the ports and protocols. Today will be learn what is port scanning, why hackers scan ports, what is Nmap, types of port scanning, real practical commands. This where cybersecurity become practical. What is port scanning? Port scanning is a technique used to identify open ports, closed ports, filtered ports. Every computer has 0 to 65,535 ports. When a port is open, it means a server is running. Example, port 80 web server, port 22 SSH, port 3389 RDP. Hackers scan ports to find entire points. Security teams scan ports to find vulnerabilities. Why port scanning is important? Imagine your house has 10 doors. If 5 doors are open, then will be try those doors. Ports like a door. Open port is equals to possible attacker surface. That why companies monitor open port. Port state explained. There are mainly 3 states. 1. Open. Service is running and accepting connections. Closed. No service running. Filtered. Firewalls blocking the port. Understand these states help SOC Analyst. What is Nmap? Nmap stands for Network Mapper. It's one of the most powerful tool in cybersecurity. Used for port scanning, service detection, OSI detection, network discovered. It's used by ethical hackers, SOC analysts, security engineers. Types of Nmap scans. TCP connect scans. Full connection. Erase to detect. SYN scans. Does not complete handshake used by hackers. UPD scans. Scan UPD ports. Sure but important. Real cybersecurity scenario. Imagine you are SOC analyst. You are using unusual traffic on port 4444. Your scan system port 4444 is open. That port is often used by reverse shell. You detect possible compression. That is a practical use of port scanning. Ethical warning. Never scan a random website without permission. Port scanning important. Authentication can be legal. Always practice on your own lab. Virtual machine. Hack the box. Try hack me. Today we learned what is port scanning. Port state. Nmap basics. Types of scan. Tomorrow we will do practice lab demo. Follow the next gen for day 5.